All right, we got the water turned on. Those two hoses right there, those will go down here to the garden. I need to bury them still, but they're there and they work, and they go over to the garden bed. So we'll run the water on here all night and we'll see how much this sinks down. Should compact a little bit from all the watering. I changed my mind. I decided to put the soaker hose up here and just kind of let that run down there. I didn't think those sprinkler heads were going to get the job done. So this should soak it down pretty good. But we're not going to leave this all night. We'll just let it run for about an hour and then we'll check on it. Looks like we got a full moon up there. Pretty nice day out here. But yeah, we'll just let that run for a while and then we'll check on it. I left this thing on last night. I forgot to turn it off, and then at 11 o'clock my wife asked me if I turned the water off. So I ran out here to check on it, and there was a flood out here. But all in all, I think it did pretty good. It didn't really sink down much, so I think we're good to go. We can start planting out here.